Nice to meet you. I'm Jeff with Crystal Clean. I really appreciate that you have an interest in talking with Crystal Clean about employment. We're always looking to add to our family. Some of the reasons you might want to consider Crystal Clean above and beyond other jobs that you may be looking at is because we truly believe in our core values, that family, client, and company. We understand that you have a life outside of work. And we also understand that while we're at work, we want to have fun and we want to do things right, and we help you with that. Part of bringing you in is to educate you to our philosophy on taking care of our clients and how important it is that they feel safer and cleaner because we come and go each day. We're also always looking to promote people within. If you have a desire to grow with the company and take on a lead role, a supervision role, a management role, trust me, we're all about helping you do that as well. On the other hand, maybe you just want some flexibility with your schedule. We have jobs that allow for part-time work, full-time work, growth if you want it. But either way, I think you'll find that we're a company that's very interested in you as a person, and we appreciate that when you give us some of your very best, we want to give you our very best in return. So again, thank you for talking to us, and if you feel like you'd like to apply, simply click on the button below.